Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade baked fish. Trout is the type of fish that I'm going to be baking. This recipe serves between 5 to 10 people depending on the amount of trout fillets that you are serving. Not only is this healthy and full of flavor, but it is absolutely delicious. Now I do have other recipes for fish. Recipes such as baked salmon, blackened catfish, and fried catfish, and I'll have the links to those recipe videos in the description box. So without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Here is all what you will need to make your baked fish. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need 2 pounds, that's 10 trout fillets with the skin and bones removed. You will also need some unsalted butter, 2 large lemons, and for your seasonings, you will need some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slap Your Mama Creole seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prud'homme Seafood Magic, onion powder, garlic powder, and some dried thyme. To bake your fish, you will need an 11 by 17 inch baking pan. And there we have it. Let's get straight to it. Add your trout fillets into a strainer and rinse them with cold water. Take some napkins and pat your trout fillets dry. Lightly butter the bottom of your baking pan. Add your trout fillets, skin side up, into your baking pan. Now let's add some seasoning. Add 3 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, rinse off your lemon, cut your lemon in half. Here we have a mesh strainer. Squeeze a half of a lemon on top of your trout fillets. Now if you want to use the whole lemon, you can use that, but you'll have to use the second lemon if you like. Flip your trout fillets over. Now let's add some seasoning. Add 3 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, and here we have a mesh strainer. Squeeze a half a lemon on top of your trout fillets. Once done, cover this with aluminum foil and place this into your fridge for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Here we have 3 tablespoons of cubed unsalted butter. Place the butter around your baking pan. Now it is ready to be baked. Place into a preheated 325-degree oven. Bake for 25 minutes. Remove your baked fish out of the oven after baking on 325 degrees for 25 minutes. Let this cool for 5 minutes before serving. Now, as a final garnish, you can use some of the pan juices and place it on top of your fish to serve it. Here is the final presentation. And there you have it, homemade baked fish. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. You can also check out this recipe along with all of my other recipes at www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook and on Instagram under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. The trout is tender and juicy. You can taste the flavor of the lemon and all the seasoning that we've added. It's really well seasoned. Very, very good. I'm telling y'all, try the recipe. Awesome. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. So until next time, take care, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.